be changed from interested parties to respondents. Anybody who has an objection to that? Or I enter it by consent?
My Lord, the court seems to have taken to appoint a course. I believe the court has taken a position on the issue of the two counties being respondents. My Lord, it's not true that both counties cannot champion their interests when they are interested parties. Indeed, they can champion their interests. But the danger which we are running into by admitting them as respondents is confusing further the petition by introducing new issues and which is going to delay further the determination of this, this matter.
Yes, but yes, we can.
Your Lord, remember the other time I was opposing the application by the 4th, 5th, and 6th interested parties,
yes.
But upon your persuasion, we allowed the interested parties to come on record through by consent.
Yes.
But my Lord, with due respect, you can see the trend that the 4th and 5th and 6th respondents are not interested, or they are not keen to have the matter tried in this court, or by this court, like the 4th.
The 5th and 6th have changed, have removed it from that position, away from that position.
They are not seeking mediation.
My Lord, I am pressed to interjecting my colleague.
Pardon?
I am pressed to interjecting,
Yes.
pulling my client to appear that they do not want these proceedings to proceed.
No, I've told him off.
Yes.
But for mediation, you are still interested in the mediation.
And it is the way to go.
Yes.
As per the Constitution, we
Yes.
should endeavor to...
No. Mr. Bonduka, if you wanted mediation, if your clients wanted mediation,
Yes.
they would have Mayaka matter. Because once we've had the application for recusal, if I recuse myself, whoever hears it, we now decide whether to hear Mr. Bonuke's application. If I don't recuse myself, then I'll find out whether I need to hear Mr. Bonuke's application. But the truth of the matter is, you see Mr. Nyatundo has sobered up. He wants the matter hard. He wants the matter hard very fast. Because you see, ever since we went to the ground, nobody is complaining about the issue anymore. Because they realize that the government is serious. You know, for them, it's the government. The government is serious to bring to an end that. I'm not very, very good in arbitration. I'm not very, very good in being a peacemaker. But I try my best. So what we do, since you do not oppose, I'll say by consent. Yes.
My Lord, I was, as I was saying, that I had not finished putting my point across.
Yes.
That in fact, the intended proposed respondent, who is the second interested party, in his application he says that he intends to put a cross petition to this matter. That is one of the reasons that he seeks to be enjoined as a respondent. But in that application, he does not disclose the claim that he seeks against.
You are not attentive in court. You are not attentive in court. Me, and I was injured. I heard what he said.
Yes,
there are a number of other places. Today is taking the story. There are a number of other areas where they are not very sure of the boundaries. And he said that's what he wants to put in as a counter. True?
Yes, that's correct.
Now, and you said you are going to oppose it. In fact, even Mr. Nyambane says he said he's going to oppose it. I'll not say whether I'll accept it or not. But supposing that is done, haven't we solved the problems between Nyamira and Kisii once and for all? And if anybody is not satisfied, they go on appeal and the matter is settled on appeal. That will have sorted out the issue of all the boundaries between Nyamira and Kisii.
That is true, Your Honor. And if you go through the petition is also seeking that let the boundary of Nyamira be ascertained as a whole. And if it is ascertained as a whole, then the part which touches on Kisii County,
yes,
it's going to be determined, Your Honor. So we believe, or the petitioner believes, that is not a new claim, but it's a claim.
By the
which is
way,
in the
they
petition.
don't even need to put a counter petition. All they need to say is that the entire boundary between Kisii and Nyamira be determined once and for all. Keroka and all around. And it's very easy, just to ask IEBC, a National Land Commission, to go there.
My Lord, let them put the application.
Very good. So by consent,
Let them put the application. My Lord, my Lord. Let them put the
and by
application.
consent, both first interested party, isn't it? First and second. First and second interested parties are hereby made fifth and sixth respondents respectively. I said fifth and sixth because we have that as IBC.
It's for
Fourth. No, this is the way. County government of Kisii is already fourth respondent, isn't it?
Okay. I urge your application.
Okay.
Yes, because Nyamira comes first.
So what? Because Nyamira comes first.
Yes.
I say fifth and fourth, isn't it?
So that Kisii is fifth.
So that Kisii is fifth.
Yes. Respondent.
No, Kisii is fourth,
Fourth.
and Nyamira fifth. So that is Kisii County government will be fourth respondent fourthly, and Nyamira County government the fifth respondent fourthly. So that you can put in whatever counter petitions you want. Both are granted. Leave to file counter claims, counter petitions, sorry, if any, within the next 14 days. And the other parties, that is 14 days thereafter.
My Lord, could you make that 21 a bit of a problem?
But all along you have wanted to do it.
Yes, so which is why we think 21 days.
Okay, 21 days because you are going for vacation. And the other parties are 14 days thereafter. Now then we also put it as 21 days thereafter. to their responses. So Mr. Nyambale, you also at liberty to put in a counter petition.
Very well.
Now, that's 42 days from today. It takes us to around 15th of September, isn't it? I know. So, yeah. So nobody is wants to highlight on his submissions. Mr. Nyambale?
No.
The matter is then yes, checked from the AG and from the petitioner. I'll find my written submissions within the next 3 days, and I will rely on them entirely. And you said you will not highlight. Anybody who had it otherwise? Mr. Bonuke, is that not what Mr. Morana said? No. Is that not what you said? No, Mr. Yatundo. Is that not what Morana said? I want to hear anybody who had anything to the contrary, including members of the public. Anybody who had anything to the contrary, wewe unacheka. Alisema nini?
Let's leave it at that.
No, this is a very serious matter.
The thing is,
because he has always misquoted me.
We are handling that.
No, has always misquoted me. I want it to come from anybody.
That is settled.
No, it's not yet settled. Did he, okay, you, now is that one. Did he say he's not going to highlight on his submissions, or he said he will highlight?
We want to move forward, my lord.
Mr. Nyambale?
We want to move forward.
My lord, I will take what the court record is as being the position.
No, but is that what not...
That's what he said. That's what he said. And that's why it's
from the
recorded.
government you are new to. Is that not what Morana said?
That's the position, yes.
So I'll keep scribbling my belief because of you, Morana. Can we do this matter without any personal grudges, Morana? I want anybody who had it the way Morana is saying.
No, the record is accurate. The
Yes.
record is accurate. Let's move forward.
Hmm? Nineteenth?
My lord, perhaps
19th of September, yes.
perhaps can we take, now that we are going to rely on our submissions,
Yes.
can we perhaps take a ruling date?
No, let's first, because there are other issues also to be confirmed about today. Let's just come and confirm, and then I give a date for the ruling. Because if I give a date for the ruling, then I'll not be able to confirm whether those submissions are in. Or rather, I'll not be able to confirm whether there is a counter petition and the responses. So we mentioned it on 19. So, to inform you.